Prior to model year 1996, onboard diagnostics was a major challenge for do-it-yourselfers and independent repair shops because every automaker had their own unique diagnostic connectors, trouble codes, and scan tools. That all changed when the Society of Automotive Engineers came up with a standardized 16-pin diagnostic connector for all makes and models of vehicles. SAE also developed a list of standardized generic P0 fault codes for all vehicles. However, they also allowed automakers to add their own make-model-specific P1 codes for advanced diagnostics. This is how OBD2 diagnostics and scan tools came to be. Since then, there have been several generations of relatively inexpensive DIY scan tools to hit the market. The most basic of these are inexpensive code readers that display generic P0 fault codes with a short code definition. Most code readers won't read P1 codes, and they lack the ability to display live sensor data or other PIDs. The next step up is a basic scan tool that can read both generic P0 and enhanced P1 codes. It can display the status of the various OBD2 system monitors, which tells you whether or not a vehicle is ready for emissions testing. A basic scan tool also can display all of the major system PIDs, such as sensor values, voltages, loop status, switch status, and other vital information that's often necessary to diagnose a problem. Some of these tools also can read airbag and ABS codes, and some, like this one, even offer basic graphing capabilities to display sensor waveforms. Another type of basic scan tool is an Android or iPhone app that allows a smartphone or tablet to read codes and display system data. These apps require a separate USB cable or a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth dongle that plugs into the vehicle's diagnostic connector. While a basic code reader is a cool thing to have for DIYers who want to get a better understanding of what's going on with their vehicles, keep in mind that a basic code reader doesn't offer anything beyond pulling codes. A fault code by itself is not a diagnosis, and it doesn't tell you which part or parts may need to be replaced. The code only identifies the nature of the problem, so further testing and inspection can be done to isolate the fault. A basic DIY entry-level scan tool is a handy device for performing quick plug-and code checks, for viewing sensor data and other PIDs, and for clearing codes.